Next example, a bronze sleeve 4.5 centimeter external diameter. So external diameter, it's a circle. So I'm converting to millimeters, 45 mm. Fits accurately over a steel rod of solid circular section 3 centimeter in diameter. So it is encased in between. Okay, this is steel, this is bronze, this is steel, and this is 30 millimeters. Okay, calculate the moment of resistance. Mr is required to be calculated. Calculate moment of resistance to bending, which composite section is expected to offer if maximum permissible bending stresses are 120 MPa and 90 MPa for steel and bronze respectively. So for bronze, okay, let me draw this. Okay, for this is exactly where the neutral axis will be. So for bronze, what is FB given? 95 Newton per millimeter square. We know that 1 megapascal is 1 Newton per millimeter square, and bronze is here and here. This part is steel. Okay, this part is steel. So this is FB dash. Let me name this. And for steel section, the stress diagram will be something like this, and Fs is 120, but these are permissible values. Okay, so we need to check when these are the permissible values. If one of the member reaches, one of the metal reaches to its highest limit, what will be the value in the other member, other metal? So we have to find out. Okay, so let us calculate these values first. So we'll check for the stresses first. What is ES, that is modular ratio, is given by ES divided by EB. We know this, so it's 210 divided by 120, and this works out to be 1.75. Modular ratio is 1.75. Now what we shall assume is that let us assume that bronze reaches to its maximum limit, maximum bending stresses prior to steel. So let us assume bronze reaches to its ultimate value, ultimate stress value prior to steel. Okay, so we consider that this is final. So we have to find out, when if this is ultimate, then what is stress in steel. Okay, so FB is 95 Newton per millimeter square. So we use similar triangles. Okay, using similar triangle theorem, we have to calculate what is FB dash. So let me first write here, this is 15 mm, this is 45 divided by 2, 22.5 mm. Okay, so let us calculate. At 15, it is FB dash, right? At 15, at this neutral axis, okay, this has to cross like this. At 15, it is FB dash. At 22.5, it is 95. So at 22.5 mm, it is FB is 95. Cross multiply and calculate FB dash. That is 95 into 15 divided by 22.5. This works out to be 93.33 Newton per millimeter square. So we got stress in bronze. Now using modular ratio, we can find the corresponding stress in steel. So using modular ratio, okay, we can find corresponding stress in steel. That is Fs is equal to m times Fp. This is a relation. Now we know that Fb dash, it is corresponding stress with Fs. So this will be m into Fb dash. So this is going to be 1.75 into 63.33, and this works out to be 110.83 Newton per millimeter square. Now check this. This is less than 120. This is a limit given. So what we have assumed is right. If you get this higher than this, that means steel reaches to its ultimate value prior to bronze, and you have to work considering this value. Find FB dash using modular ratio, and then using similar triangle find FB and check whatever value you get whether it is less than FB or not. That means the assumption is correct then. Okay, so that is why we have to adopt. Okay, since our assumption is right, FB is 95 Newton per millimeter square and Fs is 110 Newton per millimeter square. So these are the values we need to adopt. Now it's easy to calculate moment of resistance. Moment of resistance is equal to moment of resistance of steel plus moment of resistance of bronze. Okay, so first we'll calculate moment of resistance of steel section. What is steel section? Steel section is only here, the internal one. It's easy to calculate. So it's Fs into Is divided by Ys. What is Fs? Fs is 110.83 Newton per millimeter square. Is is pi by 64 d raised to 4. D is how much? 30. 30 raised to 4. So this value is 39760 39760.78. 39760.78. Yes. What is Ys? Ys is 30 divided by 2, which is 15 mm. Okay, when you substitute this here, all these values, we get 293,779.16 Newton millimeter. So we have got one value here. Now let us calculate for bronze. MRB for bronze. Bronze will be what? Here internally it is steel. This is what we don't need. Okay, so entire section minus this bronze section, like we did in example 6. Okay, so I have already explained that. So now when we calculate bronze, okay, for moment of resistance for bronze, what is FB dash? We have got FB dash where we have got 63.33. Okay, so we have 63.33. We have to deduct this part which is shaded here in blue color. We have to deduct that part. So moment of resistance of external, okay, minus internal. Okay, but we have to consider for bronze here, and here also we have to consider for bronze. That care we have to take. Okay, and not deduct for steel section. So this will be moment of resistance for bronze external minus moment of resistance for bronze only internal. Okay, so I will directly substitute here because we have already discussed how to do this in the previous problems. So this will be FB IB external divided by YB. Okay, you can say this also external. Okay, this will be FB dash because at this location, the same location, it is FB dash IB internal divided by YB internal. So this is going to be easy. What is IB external? IB external is equal to, that is for bronze, is pi by 64 d raised to 4. So that is 45 raised to 4. Okay, and this works out to be 21,288.96 millimeter raised to 4. And what is YB external? It is 45 divided by 2, that is 22.5. Similarly, okay, what is IB internal? What is IB internal? IB internal is pi by 64, 30 raised to 4. The internal diameter, this 30 and this is 45. Okay, this works out to be, we have already calculated this, 39,760.78 millimeter raised to 4. Okay, and YB internal is 30 divided by 2, which is 15 mm. Okay, so FB is equal to, FB how much we have got? 95 Newton per millimeter square, and FB dash, okay, which we need to substitute for the internal, FB dash is 63.33 Okay, so when you substitute appropriately in this formula, we get the answer. So whatever values we have got, have substituted here, and we get the answer 682016.71 Newton millimeter. So this is about moment of resistance of bronze. Now total moment of resistance is moment of resistance of steel plus moment of resistance of bronze. How much we had got for steel? We had already calculated this. It is 293779.16 plus 682016.71. This is equal to 975,795.87 Newton millimeter, or I can write this as 1 2 3 4 5. So 9.75 10 raised to 5 Newton millimeter. This completes the problem.